Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Dashift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a Math class of class 7. Today's topic is Chapter 9, Theorem 2. It means that in today's class I will solve Theorem 2. So your homework number is 15 today and lecture number 23, and you will do your homework 15 this CW. It means the theorem 2 which will prove here, you will submit as your homework. CW to HW, it means theorem 2. It means your homework is theorem 2. Okay, dear students, now see what is theorem 2. I will prove the theorem 2 here. Theorem 2. If one side of a triangle is greater than another, the angle opposite to the greater side is greater than the angle opposite to the smaller side. It means that if we consider a triangle ABC, suppose ABC is a triangle, suppose the side AC is greater than the side BC. AB then the side AB, AC is greater than AB. It means that if AC is greater than AB, it is required to prove that the angle opposite to the greater side, it means the angle opposite to AC is angle ABC. Angle ABC is greater than, we need to prove that angle ABC is greater than the angle opposite to the smaller side, means smaller side means AB here, opposite angle is C, it means ACB. So we need to prove ABC is greater than ACB. So we can write at first we have to write particular enunciation. So write particular enunciation. Particular enunciation. Suppose in triangle ABC, AB, AC is greater than AB, AC is greater than AB. It is required to prove that AC is greater than AB. So it is required to prove that the angle opposite to the greater side, it means the angle opposite to the side AC is angle ABC. So we can write angle ABC is greater than the angle opposite to the smaller side means AB, so its opposite angle is ACB. We can write here ACB. We need to prove this. Dear students, to prove this we need some construction here. So write the next step, construction. What is the construction here? Now to prove this, at first we can cut AD from AC so that AB equal to AD. So we can write here, we cut out AD from AC so that AB equal to AD, and we can write this as from AC we cut off from AC, we have to cut AD so that AB and AD are equal, AD equal to AB. So we can write here D is a point on AC, so we can join B and D now. Then join the points B and D. Then join the points B and D. Dear students, if we join B and D now, ABD is our triangle. If we consider the triangle ABD here, we know AB equal to AD according to our construction. So ABD is an isosceles triangle. As ABD is an isosceles triangle, we can say BD will be the base, and the angle with the base, angle adjacent to the base of an isosceles triangle are equal. So we can say angle ABD and angle ADB are equal. So we can start the proof. Step 1. In triangle, or we can use the sine triangle. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, AB equal to AD. So the angle opposite to AB and AD, it means the adjacent angle of BD are equal. In triangle ABD, AB equal to AD. So we can write here angle ABD means this angle will be equal to angle ADB. ADB. Now step 2. In step 2, we can consider the triangle BDC or BCD. We can consider the triangle BCD. Now consider the triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, external angle or exterior angle, here exterior angle BDA or ADB, exterior angle ADB is greater than angle C and angle this one, it means DBC. Here C means DCB or BCD, we can say anyone. BCD. Here these two are opposite interior angle according to the corollary 1, and corollary 2. We can say according to corollary 1, this exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles, and in corollary 2 it is said that so these two angles are smaller than the exterior angle. So interior opposite angles are smaller than the exterior angle. So we can say this angle is greater than angle C now, BCD. Dear students, so we can say angle ADB is greater than BCD, means this angle is greater than this one. We know this angle and this angle are equal. So we can say, or angle ADB means we can write ABD is greater than BCD, as ADB and ABD are equal. So we can write ABD is greater than BCD. Angle ABD is greater than angle BCD. Dear students, now if you notice here, angle ABD is greater than angle BCD. So here angle BCD means ACB. Can we write these angles are same? BCD means angle C here, ACB means angle C here. So we can write here, therefore angle ABD is greater than angle ACB. Third step. Now if you see angle ABD is a part of angle ABC, so angle ABD is smaller than angle ABC. Angle ABD is smaller than angle ABC, or ABC is greater than ABD. We can write here angle ABC is greater than angle ABD, as angle ABD is a part of angle ABC, and we have seen that here angle ACB is smaller than angle ABD. So ACB is much smaller than angle ABC, as ABC is greater than ABD. So we can write here, therefore if we compare the angle here, angle C is angle smaller than ABD. Now angle ABC is larger than ABD. It means that angle C is very larger than angle ABC is very larger than angle C. So we can write here, therefore angle ABC is greater than angle ACB, is greater than angle ACB. So we need to prove what? ABC is greater than ACB. We have proved ABC is greater than ACB. So our proof is done. Okay, dear student, I hope you have understood the proof of the theorem 2, and you need to remember that here we have applied some corollary and some information from the previous class. You have to remember that corollaries or that information to prove this. Okay, dear students, so practice this at home and do this as your homework. Submit your homework properly and timely. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, assalamu alaikum.